Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel Zero Analyst. This is the video 14 of our SQL mock interview series. In this video, I'm going to take a SQL mock interview with one of our followers called Kailash. Let him join the call, then we're going to start the video. If you're planning for any data analyst role and if you have any upcoming data analyst interview, make sure to go through this whole video because you will be learning a lot of SQL concept in this video. Also, you'll be getting multiple recent asked SQL interview questions which you can solve. So let's start the video.
Hi sir, I am Kailash. I am from Vizag in Andhra Pradesh, and I completed my graduation in 2018 in Aditya College as a mechanical engineer. After that, I joined in Amazon as a retail associate process. I have totally 5 years in IT experience. In that, relevant experience is 3. I know good about SQL and Power BI and Excel. That's it.
So you said you have done mechanical engineering and then you joined Amazon. I mean, what is the role?
Associate retail process, the Japanese language, sir.
Okay, got it. So perfect. Now you are learning SQL, Python, and Power BI, right?
No, SQL and Power BI, Excel. I'm
Okay,
a little bit
SQL.
about Python, but not that much. Like
Okay,
I know little
got
bit.
it. Got it. So this call is more about like SQL. Okay. So this is a mock interview, and I'll be first giving you maybe asking you some questions which you will be answering, like the fundamental concepts, and then I will be giving you 1 or 2 problem statement which you can write query to solve it. Okay. So you can go ahead and share your screen, and you need to just visit our website, which is called zeroanalyst.com. zeroanalyst.com/SQL. So first share your screen. I don't see your screen.
Oh, wait, sir. Wait. No. No, okay, sir.
Yes, now I can see it. So go to zeroanalyst.com. Now you can just type it in the browser. Okay.
Okay.
So here you will be getting an ID where you can write queries, and so without logging or something, you can just clear this out. The left side input that you see from the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, just delete this.
Okay. Sir, I am SQL server only.
Okay, sure, you can select.
Okay. Sir,
Okay,
how
so just you can
there?
clear this input. Left side, you see whatever the queries are there, you can delete it. Select and delete everything.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start with the basics first. Okay. So I would want to know how would you rate yourself in SQL on the scale of 1 to 10 and why?
I would rate myself in SQL 7, sir, out of 10. And why means I'm for the past 1 year I'm learning SQL, and I don't like I seen your videos and Ankit Bansal and our videos and applying it to my day-to-day life.
Okay, got it. So what you are learning right now in SQL?
Sir?
Are you learning any concept at the moment in SQL?
Yes, sir. Like I'm lagging in the stored procedure and functions, sir. I'm lagging on that concept.
Okay, got it. Okay, so can you explain me the difference between, let's say, varchar and car in SQL?
Varchar means it's a variable, sir. Okay, it will be the length will be variable. Okay, char it is a fixed length.
That is correct. Okay. Do you know the reason why we use order by in SQL, and what are the types we have in order by?
Order by means it will be we need the records like order wise, like date wise or ascending and descending. Then we are using order by clause or and another question, sir. Why we
Yeah, what are the different types of order by we have?
different types of order by In the order by we have ascending and descending clause. We have
Yes,
both the two.
that is what I
The,
wanted to know.
yeah, ascending and descending. When we are writing default, it will be the SQL server understand the ascending order. If you need descending ones, we have to write descending, DESC. Like.
Okay. So can you tell me in stored procedures, what is the parameters and variables, and when we use parameters, when we use variable?
So I'm not that much aware about the stored procedures, so that's why I'm lagging.
Okay. Okay, I'll just pass this question then.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
it's fine. Okay, so can you explain me the difference between SQL and MySQL?
So SQL is a structured query language, sir. It's okay. MySQL is a database, like a database management system. In SQL, it's developed by the IBM Corporation, while the MySQL it's the Oracle they are developer. In SQL, we don't have any like variables, like no variables. We don't have any variables. In MySQL, we have variable like constants like that we have.
I think you got confused here. SQL is the language, okay, which is called a
Yes, yes.
structured query
SQL is
language.
structured query language.
Then we have MySQL, which is a RDBMS, which is a tool where we write SQL query. It could be
Yes,
MySQL, it could be
SQL, I got it.
Microsoft SQL Server, it could
Yes, yes,
be
yes.
Oracle,
RDBMS.
it could be Postgres, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me what is like operator in SQL, and when we use like operator?
Like operator, we are using like when we need the pattern, like first letters A or some customers name first letters A. At that time, we are using the like where the value doesn't filter. At that time, we are using the like.
Okay, correct. Okay, one more question. Okay. Can you explain the difference between which is called the union and union all?
Union and union both are the combining the self statements, sir. And while coming to the union, it will delete the duplicate value. It will give the only unique value. While coming to the union now, it will give the all the values. Oh, and that's the one point. Another point is the if you apply union and union all, the data types must be same, and the rows also. The number of columns must be same.
Okay, that's correct. Do you know index in SQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's say you have a query which is kind of performing really slow. Okay. Like you need to
Okay.
get something from a database, and it is like taking a lot of time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the step you will take to improve this query performance?
Sir, query performance, first I will use that not only using indexer, I will use like a little bit I need no like I will not use select star from the customer table, like I will not use. I will write on the particular columns what are needed. I will write for the first thing. Second, I will apply the where filter, like it will be filter the data. It will optimize the some query. After that, I will use the indexing, and I will write the appropriate join condition. So I will not pull out resign. If they required the table, I will write mostly I will go for inner or left out resign. And after that, I will using index column for the retrieval data easily and without any delay.
Yeah, absolutely. I love the approach you have kind of mentioned. So yes, we use this structure approach. And also, if there is any sub queries you have
Yes,
which you have used multiple
I will.
times.
I will not use subqueries. At that time, I will use the common table expressions like CTE tables. I will prefer for that instead of subqueries.
Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, this is what we do. Okay, I guess this is it about the normal check. Okay, now
Thank you.
I'll be giving you some problem statement which you can write statement to solve it. Okay, one
Okay.
more last questions which I want to ask you. Okay,
Mm. Okay.
so can you explain normalizations in SQL and denormalizations in SQL?
Yes, normalization, denormalization. A normalization means it will remove the redundant data and unwanted data. We can remove it. Why? Because if it is like in normalization, we have three forms like first enough, second and third enough. And for first n of it will be used by the atomic value. The column must have the unique values. So the first enough, and the second means it partially depend upon the primary key. Like, can I give an example, sir? For I did.
No, I mean, I don't want
Yes.
1NF, 2NF, or 3NF. I just wanted
Okay.
to know the normalization
Okay.
you explained. What is the denormalization then?
Denormalization means like in database we have the organizing structure that tables, sir. It will give huge data, like it will give the duplicates it will give, but it will improve the performance, database performance it will increase, sir, for denormalization. While coming to the normalization, it will create more tables. So that's the one disadvantage about the normalization. It will create more tables, so that's why we have to need to write more joins conditions in normalization.
Yes, I guess, yeah, this is correct. In normalizations, you need to divide into multiple tables.
Multiple tables.
Like it could be customer table would be one table, then order table would be one table, sales table would be one table. Okay. So the data we will denormalize. That means that the redundant data would be kind of split it into their own table where each kind of attributes would directly report to the primary key. Okay.
Yes, yes.
When you talk about denormalizations, it is kind of just the opposite. So let's say combining
Opposite.
everything in one table, but the number of column would be huge as well as there will be a lot of duplicates. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is what the question was. Okay. Now I will be sharing you this data set and the query in the chat box from where you can copy it, and then I will be asking you some problem statement. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
So give me one quick second. Have you used window functions leg lead?
Yes, sir. I use.
Okay. So let me first share you a very simple problem. Okay. Then I am going to share you another one.
Okay.
So this is a very, very famous problem that has been asked in multiple interviews. Okay. And very simple one again. So let me just share in the chat box.
I will try, sir.
So it's based on a cinema hall ticketing system. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can copy this question into this IDE and I will explain the problem.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so just it's going to create the table and you can just select everything from the cinema hall. You will be getting the data. Click on run.
Yeah. Message in like something.
So here, what is causing the issue? Status int check. Okay, so you can change it to Postgres. It's okay. There is no syntax difference. So it is written on Postgres. You can change it to Postgres.
Okay, sir.
Just search as a Postgres. You would be getting it. Okay, now run it. No, you can just run it over there only. That's okay. Just click the run button.
Okay. Okay.
First, you need to put the data as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Done. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Now just run the statement which is called select everything from cinema hall, right? Now here the question is that you have a cinema hall data,
Yeah.
which
Okay.
has no, you need to keep that, otherwise it's not going to work. So keep that query.
Okay.
Okay. So you have a cinema hall data with two columns. One is called ID, which contain each seat and their unique ID in sequence way. And then second column we have, which is called status, which has 0 and 1. 0 means the seat is available and 1 means the seat is taken. Okay. So what you need to find out, there are three friends who want to watch a film together and want to sit together. So you want to check
Okay.
if in case we have three seats available together. If yes, then what is the first seat number and what is the last seat number? The seat number is starting and the seat number ending, where the three should be together. So if you see it here, the seat number 4, 5 and 6, the three are available together. The first seat number is going to be 4 and the last seat number is going to be 6.
Six. Like we need the consecutive seat numbers, like 4, 5,
Yes,
6.
consecutive seat numbers,
Number.
consecutive available seat number, what we
Okay.
need.
Okay, sir. I will try for that. Can I can I question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, start. So, 0. Mm, um, double. I think it's something. Sir, something missing about.
Yeah.
Hello. I need the
Mhm.
entire data, entire table. It's not coming here.
So you are saying here select everything from cinema hall where the status is
Yeah.
0. You can see the result, right?
No, I'm not selecting that. Oh, okay. I'm not selecting. Okay.
You don't have to select. Even if you enter it, you can just click run. It is
Oh,
automatically going to run.
okay.
Or
Start
you can
from.
just press control enter. That is fine.
Okay.
Shortcut, okay?
Mm-mm. Mm. Okay. Got it. Okay. Sir, it's showing the
Yeah.
mirror here. Index error or data.
Let me know if you need any help, okay?
Sir, can I do it in same in MySQL server in my
Yeah, you
laptop?
can do that. You can just copy paste this table creation and the insert
Okay.
statement.
Okay. Something here missed it, sir. I will go with the lead lab function. I think something I missed it here. Hello.
Yeah.
Something I missed it in rank and length sensor. So, can I go through with the lead lab function here? Something missed it.
Okay. You want to skip this?
No, sir, no, sir. Lab. No, yeah. CTV. Select from CTV. Where, where, here we can put a filter here. Where starter, CTV, starter equal to 0. Mm, 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 yes.
You're very close.
Yeah, yes, sir. Got it, sir. Where status equal to 0 or previous row equal to 0. And so, sir, is that okay, sir?
Yeah, you're getting the result.
Yes, yes. Sir, I am confused about that lead dense sensor, so that's why I go through it lead lesson.
So I think what you are mentioning is the correct here. So you are inside the CTE. You are saying lead to get the next row, next seed status. Okay, and you are using leg to get the previous seed status. Okay, and by default you are getting the current seed status. Okay, so this is fine. And you're saying where the status equals 0. Okay.
Mm.
Now I think there is still you don't have to say where the status equals 0, because even if you
And
don't say that where the status
mm,
equals 0, still it is going to work.
yes, sir. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
The first where condition inside this CTE, yeah,
Okay.
even if you don't say where the status is 0, still you will be getting the same result, because
No, it will give 4, 5, 6, I think.
so,
Again I have to
so
write that.
here what you need to do is that, see, first of all you need to ensure, yes,
Mm, must be equal to 0. I think it will be what I think.
no, this
Mm,
is not going to work. Let me help you here what you are doing wrong. Okay.
okay.
So first, just print the inner query which we have inside the CTE.
Oh, this one, sir.
Yeah, just print this one.
Okay.
So in the
Okay.
CTE, you have three things. One is called status, one is called next, one is
Next,
called previous row.
previous row. Yes.
If all these three things are kind of 0, okay,
Yeah.
which means that this is the middle seat.
Yes. Middle sheet. Yes, sir.
Okay, because this is all things are zero because here you are getting the row from the previous also, and you are getting the row from the next seat as well.
That's it.
Correct?
Yes, yes.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
what you need to do is that here you need to say that first of all, here what you need to simply say, let's see, okay.
Mm,
So once you have the middle seat, you can get one previous seat and one next seat.
yeah, yes, sir. You'll get it.
Correct.
Yes,
So
yes.
so you are saying that I need this everything from this CTE where this status equals zero,
0.
and then we would say where this next status equals zero,
Yeah.
and we would
Previous.
say where this previous status equals zero.
I think it will be work. I think. Right? Yeah.
Okay. Now
Okay.
you are getting the seat number 5.
Yes.
Okay, so you're here you need to just access one seat before this and one seat after this.
After this. Now we'll get it. Sheet number 5, sir. Okay.
This is you will not be getting the answer here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, we need to kind of again go back to this main query, and then we need to
Sir,
build our logic in the main query.
I think first one is working, right? Sir. First query. What
Mhm.
I have wrote here, where status
Mhm.
equal to 0 here. I think it will be work, right?
Yeah, that was working. So that was
Yeah.
working. So you can write
Mm-hmm.
that. Okay.
Yeah. We can write that.
So you're saying status equals zero, so you're
Yeah.
filtering out the data.
Yes.
Okay.
It will be good, sir. I think. Yeah, it will be good.
Now in the result, you're saying the current status is zero,
Mm-hmm.
and then you're saying the next record in the previous row is also zero. That means current seat and the
0.
previous seat is available.
Available.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And the next seat is available. How you're checking the next seat is available or not?
For like consecutive 4 sheets, sir.
Mhm. So
No, I'm
here
asking.
you are saying, okay, the status
Mhm.
equals zero. That means the current seat is available.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Mm.
Then you're saying previous row is zero.
Available. Yeah.
Okay. So for previous row is zero and the current row is zero. Okay.
Mm.
You would
Okay.
need the next row as well.
Okay. You can write run condition next equal to 0 for.
But that's not going to give you the results. Okay, so I will hold it to
Mm.
for these questions to you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now after this, you can think more about like what is the best
Yes, sir.
approach to solve this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
our
sir.
objective is very simple. We want to find
Mm.
out the three seat where
3 sheets.
the current seat is available and continuously we have three seat available.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Previously, I done with the same problem with like using the rank function and the count function, sir. At that time, I get it easily only, but now today I confused about it.
This
I will go
only
through that.
this is only can achieve using kind of lead or lag. Okay.
Okay.
So using lead or lag, let's say you're using lag,
Mm.
so you'll be first getting the current status is zero. If the current status is zero, then you will check
Mm.
is it like the previous status is kind of zero. Okay. Then
Okay.
you would check is it one more previous status is zero. So whenever
Mm.
you will see all the previous status are zero, that's
Zero.
where you will be selecting the data. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
So that is using that approach, you can solve this problem. Okay.
Okay.
Now you
Okay.
can spend some time on these questions and then you can solve it. Okay.
Definitely, sir. I will go through that.
Okay. So I will be giving you last one more problem statement. Okay. So that is
Okay.
based on a different data set and then you can solve that one. Okay. So give me 1 second. So this one is very easy. Okay. Let me share it with you. So here is it. So just copy and paste it into your maybe SQL server. It's going to create the table and insert this statement, the data.
Okay. So
First, you need to run the create table statement, right? The create statement is
yes, yeah,
above.
I forgot it. I forgot it.
Okay. Now you can check how many hotels, how many data are there in this your table.
16, sir. I got it. 16 rows. That's okay.
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 So right now, what we need here is that we want to find out in every region, okay,
Okay.
in every region, which hotel is doing great. So in every region, the hotel that has done the highest number of, kind of, you can say stays. Okay.
Okay.
So you
Sir,
can
I think
simply say this way. So in each region, you need to find out which hotel is doing well, like the hotel that has the highest number of booking. Let's keep it to the booking.
GM. Okay.
You can use the rooms column as well. Instead of count, you can use the number of rooms, more number of rooms. That is also fine.
Okay, got it.
So sum of rooms is going to be.
Yeah, sum of count of the room also is used. Okay, sum of the room. Bangalore rating. So we need that room hotel name, sir.
So what you need in each city, which hotel name has the highest number of these rooms booked. So in each city, basically, we need one or two, maybe, hotels
Yes,
with the
yes, yes.
highest number of rooms.
Okay. Sir, I think got it, sir. I think this will be work, I think. Like in New Delhi, three hotels are going.
Mm-hmm.
Is that
Okay.
correct?
So what if in, okay, what if in case in one city there are multiple hotels, correct?
Yeah.
So I guess you're right. You're right here. You have used the window functions rank, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
first you are checking each city, each hotels and their number of rooms that is booked. And then you are basically assigning a rank, correct?
Yes,
Now
sir.
here is a problem in the rank. The problem is that you are ranking using a global rank.
Yeah.
Okay. If in
Can I
case
give?
in any
Mm,
regions there are multiple hotels, see in every region there should be their individual ranking, correct? Because
yes,
in
sir. Yes,
from
sir.
every city we want to find out one hotel with the highest rank. So partition by region.
City. Yeah.
Okay. And then you will be getting the right answers. Okay. Then you would kind of filter the data based on this rank equals 1. So you
Yeah.
can use this rank function instead of here. You can use this rank function inside the city.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Instead of
Okay.
using it here, you can use it inside the city.
Insert CTC. Yeah, we can use it. Yeah.
Correct. And here you can filter the data using this where
Yeah,
condition.
yeah, where condition. And we can write the inline view also instead of other.
Mhm.
It will be work, I think.
Yes. So I hope you got it right. What you need to do. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
this rank you can use after the last column, which is this selects
Total count.
sum of rooms.
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir. We
before the
can use it.
from, here you can use this rank. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
outside where you're filtering the data, you can simply filter everything and based on the rank equals 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, if in case in one city we have multiple hotels and different numbers of rooms, okay, the hotel that has the highest number of rooms booked, that is going to get rank 1 in that specific city.
Yes.
Same way in the second city, any hotel that got the highest number of booking, that's going to get rank 1. Even if there are multiple hotels get the same number of booking, they will be getting same rank. Okay. And then you can filter the data. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I think that's where we end our this call. And thank you so much for joining in. So anything you want to ask?
Yes, sir. I need a small favor. Like,
Mhm.
uh, I am applying like so many companies. Like, I'm trying job for other, but I couldn't get any calls for interview schedules like that. So
Okay.
we can talk it like in personal or
Okay, got it. So I think for getting a job call, okay, it depends like few of the factors. Okay, the first thing one is that you need to have kind of really, I would say, nice, outstanding resume,
okay,
which should explain what exactly you're doing and your projects, which can showcase your skills. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is that again you can have a portfolio in GitHub or any website where you have shown your projects. Okay, now these are
okay,
the secondary things. Okay,
okay,
the most important thing is that the resume. Okay, and
okay,
how you are approaching. So first approach would be like you're approaching to different peoples and asking them for a referrals, or maybe you are applying through LinkedIn, or third maybe you are applying through Naukri.com or any other portal. Okay,
okay,
so what I would recommend here is that first of all, you need to have your profile updated in Naukri.com. Make sure
okay,
all the skills are added, soft skills, the hard skills, the language skills. Okay, add everything and first of all create a nice resume, ATS friendly resume where you have everything mentioned properly and in Naukri.com profile update everything properly because most of the small segment company they do not go to LinkedIn and post it, right? So most of
okay.
the job that you see mostly are fake. So
Oh,
once you have a nice profile in Naukri.com, so the company itself will call you without you being
okay,
apply. Okay, because that is only going to possibly happen when you have a really nice profile in Naukri.com. Every skills is mentioned properly so that your profile is going to get more rank. Okay. The second
okay,
is that what you will have to do is that in every 2 or 3 days, try to re-upload the resume in
okay,
Naukri.com. So that is going to trigger your profile active. So they will feel like, okay, your profile is active. So your profile is going to be recommended to a different companies. Okay. That is
okay,
one thing. Third, whenever you are, like maybe exploring LinkedIn, if you see any genuine positions, okay, like somebody is saying, hey, we're hiring 1 to 3 year experience role,
yes,
okay,
yes.
0 to 1 year experience role. And if you see it is a genuine post, they have mentioned official email ID of the company. So send
Mm,
them an email instead of commenting
okay,
that I'm interested. Obviously, nobody is going to reply because thousands of people are commenting I'm
yes,
interested,
yes,
right? So if you find their email ID, you would send them an email nicely, add your resume. Okay, that is one thing. Third one recommendation which I would be giving is that try to find 100 companies, okay, which you feel that
okay,
they can offer you data analyst role.
okay,
Okay, for all 100 companies, try to find their HR in LinkedIn. Okay, try to
okay,
find out the existing data analysts who are working in those companies. Let's say Amazon. Okay, then ask them that hey I'm kind of this I hope you're doing well and I'm kind of like learning this or whatever you're doing. Basically you can introduce yourself
mm,
and out of 10 people at least 3 to 4 people will reply. Okay,
yes,
try
sir.
to find out the people who are not really famous, like who do not have really big number of followers, because they are not going to reply. But the people who have less connections, maybe up to 500, they would be replying. Okay, and
Okay,
then once they accept your request, maybe after 2 to 3 days, you can send a nice message. And after maybe few days, you can send them a, message to say if there's any referral. So
mm,
approach this way. update the LinkedIn, update your Naukri.com profile, update your resume, okay, and apply, consistently. I also do share whenever I see like openings for 1 to 3 year experience or 1 to 2 year experience in our Instagram channel. I also include like official email ID as well, so you can reach out to them as well. Okay, mostly I include their official email ID. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
And as I said, that list out the 100 companies, find out their HR email ID, and send them cold email. Okay, that this
Okay,
is my name and this is my skill set. I'm kind of looking for a role. I would really appreciate. So you'd be getting multiple interview calls. Okay, so but before that, make sure your resume is really aligned, and also kind of you have everything else is ready, like professional LinkedIn profile, and as well maybe a portfolio on GitHub. Where you can showcase your code and the expertise. Meantime, you can keep on learning and solving different problems. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, are you willing to see the resume like any modification, any another call? Is that okay? One-on-one call.
So for resume, yeah, you can maybe book a call, but you can even send a resume, and I will review that. Okay. And maybe I will reply, or
Okay.
maybe you can book a call. I will be most probably available in maybe after 2 to 3 days, after maybe 15 to
Okay.
16. And you can maybe book a call as well. And meantime, you can send your resume in a mail, and maybe I will reply as soon as I see it. Okay. Maybe you can just follow up with me after some time. Okay.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for joining in today, and thanks for giving your precious time. I wish you all the best and keep learning. Take
Thank you.
care. Bye bye.
Bye.